Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to limit download and upload speed in Google Chrome. So in this case, open your Google Chrome. After that, click on Control Shift and I. Control Shift and I. Then you will find on top right this no throttling. Click on no throttling, this drop down menu. Then you will find here custom, add. So click on add. Now again click on this add custom profile. Now you have to name any you can limit speed, and you can see here the download option. So put here the credentials for your download, like I want to be download my from Chrome browser to anything 1024 MB. That's mean it's 1 MB. KB upload 1024. That's mean upload KB is 1 MB too. Now click on add, and now relaunch your browser. After relaunch your browser, your issues will be fixed. Okay, so your download speed will be 1 megabyte and your upload speed will be 1 megabyte, like this. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.